Hey all, my name is Keanin. I am part of the Trade Center. I am also a NoOnes Academy mentee at the moment. I've been learning so much these last few weeks. I just want to give you guys a quick short tutorial on how to save a bit of money on your transaction fees. I plan on pushing this type of series out for the next few months, just to get some educational videos out to you guys, just to show you guys how you could save some bucks, make some extra bucks as well, using NoOnes and your personal wallets as well, your crypto wallets. So I've been testing this method out for the last week. It has saved me around about 1,500 Rand worth of transfer fees. So, you know, that's quite a big chunk in your pocket to have at the end of the week, just by using a different method to send your crypto. So what I'd like you guys to do is to go onto your NoOnes app, or on the website itself. I want you to go down to your balances or your wallet. You want to click on that icon, go in. It'll give you options for all your different cryptocurrencies that you're currently holding. You want to go down to USDT, also known as Tether. You want to click on that. You want to press receive. It's going to give you two options. The first option will be on the Tron network. Second option will be on the Ethereum network. I want you guys to select the Tron option. Make sure that you copy the correct address, because if you do accidentally copy the Ethereum network and you try to use this method, then when you send from your personal wallet over, if it's on the wrong network, you unfortunately lose all of that money. So what you do, you click receive, you get that address, you go through to your personal wallet. Now let's say you've received 1,000 Rand. You want to go onto your personal wallet. You want to buy that 1,000 Rand worth of USDT. It'll show as Tether on the platforms mostly. And then you want to take that USDT. You want to click send out. You want to put that Tron address, that Tron wallet address from NoOnes into your send out address, the receiver's address. And then you want to make sure that you are once again sending out on the Tron network. Please, I couldn't stress this enough. You don't want to lose your money, guys. So just as long as you follow the steps, it's quick and easy. From there, you click send. It should take about 5 minutes to send over. And look, from 1,000 Rand, I'm on average getting out about 970 Rand, 960 Rand. So it's about 30 bucks that gets taken off of there. But I mean, compared to the Bitcoin network, this takes 5 minutes and it's just a lot cheaper. So yeah, once you've received that balance onto your NoOnes account, it'll still be in Tether. I want you guys to go over to your wallet. Once again, click on your balances, and then there will be an option there to convert your cryptocurrency. If it's not in your wallet, then it'll just be on your settings page. It'll be on your options page there. If I'm not mistaken, it'll be under my offers or just above my offers. And yeah, guys, you just convert that USDT over to Bitcoin, and Bob's your uncle. You're all sorted. So I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think. Any feedback would be much appreciated. And I'd love to teach you guys a lot more about what we're learning over here. If you want to come join the Trade Center, come and join the NoOnes Academy. We have an amazing thing going here, guys, and you will not regret it. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon. Cheers.